Hello and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. Contractors in Kaduna have appealed to the state government to immediately pay debts owed under the 38 billion naira formal act legacy contract awarded in 2023. The appeal was made on Saturday in Kaduna at a press briefing by the contractors, who said over 400 of them were facing severe economic hardship. Borno State Governor Professor Babagana Umar Zulum has declared President Bola Ahmed Tinubu winner of the All Progressive Congress presidential primary election in Borno State after securing 414,988 votes across the 27 local government area of the state. Announcing the result on Saturday at the APC State Secretariat in Maiduguri, Governor Zulum, who served as the state collation officer for the exercise, said the primary election was conducted peacefully across all local government area of the state. Troops of the Joint Task Force Northeast Operation Hadinkai have rescued 92 kidnapped victims from Boko Haram terrorists along the Brote-Kumoya Road local government area of Borno State on Saturday. A statement by the Media Information Officer Operation Hadinkai, Lieutenant Colonel Sani Uba, says troops of the 135 Special Forces Battalion deployed at Duse Kura successfully rescued the 92 victims, comprising 52 males, 33 females, and 7 children in a vehicle. In a bid to delay the advancing troops, the fleeing terrorists covertly planted 3 IEDs along the Bula Zerma Mangari general area, but were successfully detonated. Stakeholders meeting of the African Democratic Congress ADC in Abuja descended into chaos on Saturday after a heated confrontation involving party members distributed preparations for the distribution of materials ahead of the party's senatorial primary election. The incident, which has since circulated online in a viral video, reportedly occurred during a gathering of ADC stakeholders in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), including the FCT Senator. Still on insecurity, troops of Sector 1 Operation Enduring Peace have arrested a suspected imposter who allegedly posed as a personnel of the Nigerian Navy in Jos, North local government area of Plateau State. The arrest followed a report concerning the activities of a suspicious individual identified as Mohammed Awol at Grover's Hotel, Apata area of Jos. The Kwara State Police Command has confirmed a deadly attack by armed criminals on worshippers observing a vigil at Ori Oke Ajayi on the outskirts of Ikiran village in the Igiti local government area of Kwara State, where 3 persons were killed and 15 others abducted. The command, in a statement issued on Sunday by its spokesperson, SP Adetun Ije Adeyemi, described the incident as gruesome, barbaric, and unacceptable. A handwritten document allegedly detailing a plan for governors following a military coup against President Bola Tinubu has reportedly surfaced, raising concern over an alleged plot to overthrow Nigerian democratic government. According to a report obtained by the News Chronicle, the document outlines a proposed structure for administering the country after the alleged coup, including key positions such as head of government, prime minister, chief of defense staff, secretary to the government of the federation, attorney general of the federation, and national security advisor. The document also reportedly proposed the establishment of a military governing body named the National Patriotic Ruling Council to oversee the country's administration. Among the plans allegedly contained in the document are the restructuring of the military into 6 regional commands, the merger of anti-corruption agencies, EFCC and ICPC, a review of fuel subsidy removal policies, and improved salaries and welfare packages for security personnel. However, authorities have yet to verify the authenticity of the document, and investigations are reportedly ongoing. No official statement has been issued to confirm the existence of any coup attempt or validating the alleged transition blueprint. Now from the international scene, attacks on Ebola health facilities are intensifying in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo as the World Health Organization warned the outbreak could worsen in the DRC and Uganda. On Thursday, the Rwampara Health Center was stormed by a group of angry residents demanding the bodies of relatives who had died from Ebola. According to the local sources, the incident was also confirmed by partners of the Congolese government involved in the response in the area. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.